Hi students, welcome to Sri Guru Bio classes. In this class, we are going to discuss about one of the most important topic, question paper analysis. Let's come to the topic. NEET 2020 question paper analysis in that biology section. Question paper analysis, biology section. As we know that NEET exam having three sections. One is chemistry, another one is physics, and last section is biology. So as we know that biology is one of the most important section. In this biology section having both botany and zoology. So generally the biology section having 90 questions. In these 90 questions, some of the questions are given to that botany section and some of the questions are given in this zoology section. When we are observing that NEET 2020 exam, in that botany section they given 43 questions and zoology section they given 47 questions. When we are comparing to that botany zoology have more number of questions are given in this NEET 2020 exam. So among all these 43 questions in that botany section, the questions are also given in this class 11th syllabus and class 12th syllabus. When we are observing that class 11th syllabus, the total number of questions are given in this class 11th is 25 questions. In this class 12 is 18 questions only. When we are comparing that class 11th and class 12th, class 11th have more number of questions. 25 questions are given in this class 11 and only 18 questions are given in this class 12 syllabus. So in this class 11, more number of questions are coming from this plant physiology. So plant physiology chapter have more weightage given in this NEET 2020 exam. Next, cell cycle they given 6 questions, diversity of living world that is 5 questions, and structural organization of plants in that 5 questions are given. The total number of questions given in this section is 25 only. Next, in this class 12 syllabus, genetics they given 7 questions, and ecology they given 7 questions, biology, human welfare they given 2 questions, and sexual reproduction in plants are also given in this 2 questions. So the total questions given in this section is 18. So class 12 syllabus is covered with the 18 questions only. Next, among these overall botany 43 questions, the more weighted chapters is plant physiology. So plant physiology they given 9 questions, so they given more weightage for this. And second weightage genetics and ecology they given 7 questions are coming from this. So that's why this is next. After plant physiology they given genetics and ecology given more weightage. So next cell cycle, and next diversity of living world and structural organization in plants, and the remaining weightage is biology, human welfare and reproduction, sexual reproduction especially in plants are given in this less priority when compared to these chapters. Next, when we are observing that difficulty level of that question paper are also varies. Generally more number of questions are coming that difficulty in nature. So the question paper is 13 questions is given in that very easy manner. So the questions you must answer easily, and the medium difficulty is 11 questions are given in that medium difficulty, and more 19 questions are more difficulty questions are given. These questions are some tricky in nature and some analysis are also observed in these questions, and some of the content are also who are read well and understand the concepts in well. So at that students only written these 19 questions. So the difficulty level also observed in this manner. Easy questions 13, medium questions 11, and 19 questions are very difficult in nature. So this is the botany section. Now move on to that zoology section. In that zoology section are also 47 questions are given into this zoology section. In this zoology questions are also class 11 syllabus they given 25 questions and class 12 they given 22 questions. When we are compared to that class 11 and class 12, class 11 they given more number of questions compared to that class 12 syllabus. Next, among all these class 11th syllabus, human physiology they given more weightage. Next, biomolecules. Next, animal kingdom. Next, structural organization in the animals. So like this, in this first year syllabus, that means class 11th syllabus, more weightage given to that human physiology chapters. Next, priority given in that biomolecules, and next priority given in that animal kingdom, and less priority are given to that structural organization in that animals. Next, when we are coming to that class 12 syllabus, here animal husbandry and biotechnology have more weightage and more number of questions are giving in these sections and giving in these chapters. And next, evolution and human health and diseases are, and human reproduction, both are given in that equal weightage. So when we are observing that class 11th and class 12th syllabus, more weightage given into this human physiology, and next place is given to that animal husbandry and biotechnology, and a third place given to this biomolecules, and next animal physiology, and next evolution and human health and diseases and human reproduction, and finally they given to that structural organization in the animals. So in this structural organization animals is given that less priority in this NEET 2020 question paper. When we are observing that difficulty level of that question paper, very easy questions are given into this zoology part is 30 questions similar to that botany, and medium questions are given in this question paper is 20. Next, difficulty questions are given in this 14. So the total number of questions given in this zoology section is 47. Among all these 47, 30 questions is very easy, and medium difficulty is 20 questions, and more difficult questions are 14. So when we are comparing to this botany and zoology, so more number of difficulty questions is given in this botany, and less number of difficulty questions are given in this zoology. So students, keep in mind botany section giving more difficult when compared to that zoology section. Next, here easy questions are also given 13, here also given 13. Okay, no problem. Here medium questions 11 and here medium questions 20. So the difficulty level is more when compared to the zoology. Botany having more difficulty level questions are given. So these difficulty questions are given in that analytical in nature. So who are understand properly the concept and who are digest all the material, all the concept which is present in that syllabus, or answer these difficulty level questions also. Next, another important point, understand here, based on this question paper analysis, most of the questions, more than 95 questions are directly or indirectly coming from that NCERT. No question is given to that out of syllabus. So all questions are which is present in that NCERT syllabus only. Majority of the questions are directly are coming from NCERT. Only less number of questions are indirectly or somewhat twisting manner. So only some questions are giving like that only. The remaining questions are given directly in that NCERT syllabus and NCERT textbooks only. So students, so keep in mind, so based on this question paper analysis, you must thorough about NCERT syllabus. Who are mastered in that NCERT, you will get good score in that next NEET exam. So all students, keep in this point in your mind. So this is the question paper analysis. The question given in this botany and zoology section. Next, here another important thing you observed here. When we are comparing that first year and second year, class 11th and class 12, both sections, botany section and zoology section, so first year syllabus they given more number of questions. Here also 25, here also 25. So more number of questions given in that first year syllabus. Next, less priority is given in that second year syllabus. When we are comparing to that first year syllabus, so second year syllabus they given less number of questions. So we are more focused on first year syllabus. So this is more helpful for next coming NEET exam. So students, keep all in this mind. You analyze not only this 2020 paper or 2019, 2018 and 2017 paper are also analyze this manner, or you analyze the question pattern. So which part having more number of questions and which part having less number of questions, which chapter given more number of questions and which chapter given less number of questions are analyzed, and based on that you prepared well. So only this is the basic analysis. So most of the questions are coming in this pattern only. So you analyze previous question papers are also, based on that you plan one systematic plan for preparing that NEET exam. You will get definitely good score in that NEET exam. Thank you for watching. If you want new videos like this, please subscribe my channel. Is there any doubts means please share and comment it in that comment box. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again.